My name is Brian Saitel, and I'm from Temecula, California. My company's called RV Supercenter. We've been in business since 2004. We sell new and used recreational vehicles, predominantly travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. I love living in Temecula, California. We have the wineries right here. We like it because we're close to San Diego, the beautiful beaches, and we can also get to the mountains and the snow in about an hour's time. This building solves a few problems for our dealership. Number one, we do not have a service department. So we're now going to have 10,400 square feet, 12 service bays. And the best part about our service bays is that they're wide open. We have 0 columns in the way. We span 80 feet, 130 feet, and we can drive around and not hit column after column like you'd have in another building. That's a non-steel structure. We were doing our service outside, and we had issues with the elements. In Temecula, we have 100-degree temperature quite frequently, so it's hard for the guys to work outside. And we don't have a lot of rain, but every time it rains, we can't do roof jobs, we can't do anything. So we looked at a couple other options. We looked at either doing a cinder block building or a concrete tilt-up. We chose to not go that route. One, because it would take longer to get that building up and running. Two, we did not like the columns that would be in our way. And then finally, the flat roof we really do not like. We own other properties, other buildings, and we're often repairing flat roofs left and right because the water sits up there. It takes too long to drain, and inevitably you're fixing flat roofs at $10,000 to $20,000 a year and just regular maintenance. So this pitched roof is what we wanted. My biggest fear was the horizontal girts, using that as, vertical framing, so to speak, so that we could attach our stucco and drywall. And so, but now that I see the integrity of the girts and, that they're space 16 on center, I feel like this is the way to go for sure. So our building came on 6 48-foot flatbed semi-trucks, came in around 6:30 in the morning, and it took us almost a day to get them off, get all the materials off the trucks, but then we were rocking and rolling right after that. So the biggest issue we had with the building was that we designed it 3 years ago, and we did not understand city code at the time, and we needed to make a change to the building for the operation. And that was extending our service drive from 20 feet to 48 feet. And Great Western Buildings, they came to the rescue, and we were able to make the change within a couple of days, all the engineering and everything, and got everything fabricated for us and delivered in the same time frame that the rest of the building was coming in. So that was a huge issue, but it got rectified, and it's fantastic now. So this front building here, we selected the gray color primary framing. As you can see, we also went with the straight columns over here. We also went with the R38 insulation in the roof with the band and tarp. That particular product is superior to any house here with only R30, so we like that. But we have the framed openings, so we actually have storefronts that are just like you'd see in any other shopping center that you go to. And we expect the inside to look like any other building you would see, and without having all the cool steel effects that we have. So the city required us to have stone and stucco on the exterior of the building. We were not allowed to use the standard metal siding. So we sheeted everything with plywood, and we did a 3-stage stucco, and some areas even had to have stone. So this is the product we chose. It's every detail is a little different around the building, but we used a 2x6 foam on top of the stone to kind of trim it out, and it looks pretty good. We like it.